Usihlalo wekomiti uJusticezandleni Ngcobo ubonge abantu bakulelizwe ngokubekezela kwabo ngesikhathi kusenziwa uphenyo ngoDouble Plaza iPhala.
It consists of 3 volumes. The first volume, volume 1, is the report itself. Volume 2 and 3 is the record of the proceedings, which contains every single document on which we relied in order to prepare this report.
Uthi bebekwazi kahle bekumele bakwenze ngalolu daba futhi bagculisekile ngomsebenzi abawenzile.
Our job was to interrogate the information that members of the Assembly saw fit to present to us. That's what the rules made by the National Assembly told and required us to do. We could not go beyond that.
Usomlomo wephalamende uNosiviwe Maphisa Nqakula ucacise kabanzi ngokusekuzokwenziwa yiphalamende ngalolu daba.
The House will consider the report, its findings and recommendations, and adopt a resolution through a simple majority vote, whether a further action by the House is necessary or not.
Ungoti wezomthetho umpumelelo zikalala uthi njengamanje amaqembu ombusazo sekumele afundisise lo mbiko bese kubhungwa ngawo ePhalamende.
Amalungu ezePhalamende nemiphalamende azodecide noma thatha isinqumo ukuthi senze njani ngawo. Sibona khona nezinto ezibalekile esifisa ukuthi umongameli aphendule ngazo. Sibona kubalekile ukuthi akube khona mhlambe ilinye ithimba lesibili ezonikezwa amandla athandwa maningana nesikhathi esithanda kuba siningana. La kuzobe sekuthiwa khona cha ake nihambe niyophenya nivundulule ukuthi khona yini mhlambe into engenza ukuthi uhulumeni akahambisananga ngayo noma umongameli akahambisananga ngayo okuhambisana nomthetho noma khona la umthetho uphule khona.
Uzikalala uthi nangoba bekhona bangazama ukuhlasela umengameli engqungqutheleni yeANC engenyanga ezayo kodwa kwamanje akukho okungako okungakhipha umengameli wezwe embangweni okwengameli iqembu elibusayo.
Cha ngeke bamthinte kakhulu kule conference ezayo yeqembu likakhongolose sezobibanjwe lapha ngoZibandlela ngoba kuzobe sekuthi cha akuhlangene nokuthi usebekiwe amacala lekhicala likhona bekwe ngalo so ayikho into esuke esiyenzakalile ephambene nomthetho osisekelo walo iqembu.
Leli komiti kwakumele liwuphothule maphakathi nenyanga ulwezi umsebenzi walo kodwa ngenxa yokuthi lakhala ngokuthi kwasekukhona izinto elalizibhekisisa laselinxusa ukwelulelwa isikhathi. NginguCalvin wakwaDludla eindabeni zeSABC.